Mentah kesni ke South Rek Ujelew Al-Hajar Al-Pesan Kakenhun NDRF kelahir syapok kaliat Arliam ke Baars Pak Put Banwad ika sonam Raghuvanshi Henry Kimpat Kendau Setia Namar ke jingdum lo palat bamla ban yu ibha kilahap ban kiu biang no shwa bat kin beteng ban niwat biang lasai Kani kejaka bagi NDRF kilahir liwat kade hajan balap ikamet jong Raja Raghuvanshi U inspektor ke NDRF Ularing San Ulayathu baka jingwat ka khamper hakani kejaka Namar baka long dum lo palat la ban yu ibha bat sentuit bha kejaka Kumsha Kashmir Uttarakhand Rajasthan Ulal ring san ulaong bakin beteng banwat biang lasai hakate kejaka hakani ke jinglet wat ka kenhun NDRF kadon khat nyongut
NDRF are trying hard, which even the drone and human and train cannot reach the place. The NDRF takes the task to reach all the area which was not searched. We did our best, but unluckily, due to low visibility and dense forest, we cannot reach up to the ground. So we should try another day. For tomorrow, we should continue the search. That's all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.